Hello dears, in today lecture we will discuss about types of belt drives. There are two types of the belt drives. First one is open belt drives and second one is closed belt drives. In open belt drive, the two pulleys, driver and driven, both rotate in the same direction. Both rotate in the same direction, but in cross belt drive, the two pulleys, driver and driven pulleys, rotate in opposite direction to each other. So this is the basic difference between the open and cross belt drive. Generally, open belt drives are used when there is a large distance between the two pulleys, and closed belt drives are used for small distance. So first of all we discuss about the open belt drive. An open belt drive is used when the driven pulley is desired to be rotated in the same direction as the driving pulley. Generally, the center distance for an open belt drive is 14 to 16 meter. Means if we are using open belt drive, then the distance between the two pulleys should be 14 to 16 meter. If the center distance is too large, the belt weaves, means vibrates in a direction perpendicular to the direction or motion. For very shorter center distance, the belt slip increases. Both these phenomena limit the use of belts for power transmission. While transmitting power, one side of the belt is more tightened, that side is known as tight side, and other one is known as the slack side. In case of horizontal drives, it is always desired that the tight side is that the lower side of two pulleys. This is because the sag of the belt will be more on the upper side than the lower side. This slightly increases the angles of wrap of the belt on the two pulleys than if belt had been perfectly straight between the pulleys. In case the tight side is at the upper side and sag will be greater at the lower side. Reducing the angle of wrap and slip could occur earlier. This ultimately affects the power to be transmitted. Next belt is crossed belt drive as shown in figure. In this belt drive, the driver and driven pulley both rotate in the opposite direction. If we say the driving pulley is rotating in the clockwise direction, then another pulley will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So a cross belt drive can transmit more power than an open belt drive, because in a cross belt drive there is no chance of slipping as the angle of wrap is more. However, the belt has to bend in two different planes and it wear out more, but wearing of belt is more due to friction in cross belt drive as compared to the open belt drive. So next we discuss about the velocity ratio. The velocity ratio is the ratio of speed of the driven pulley to that of the driving pulley. Let mana N1 rotational speed of the driving pulley. Similarly, N2 is rotational speed of the driven pulley. D1 diameter of the driving pulley and D2 is the diameter of the driven pulley, and T is the thickness of the belt. Now, neglecting any slip between the belt and the pulleys and also considering the belt to be inelastic, means कोई किसी तरह का स्लिपिंग नहीं हो रहा है, तो इस केस के अंदर स्पीड ऑफ बेल्ट ऑन ड्राइविंग पुली will be equals to speed of belt on driven pulley. If so इसको हम पाई d1n लिख सकते हैं. सो d1 प्लस 2 t/2 n1 एंड d2 फॉर ड्रिवन पुली प्लस 2 t/2 n2. तो हमने देखा यहाँ पर द थिकनेस ऑफ द बेल्ट इज सेम फॉर द ड्राइविंग पुली एंड द ड्रिविंग पुली. सो टर्म्स विल बी कैंसिल. तो वी फाइंड ए रिलेशनशिप. दिस मीन्स n2 अपॉन n1 is equals to d1 plus t upon d2 plus t, where d1 is diameter of the driving pulley and d2 is diameter of the driven pulley. So slip. Next point is slip. The effect of slip is to decreases the speed of the belt on the driving shaft and to decrease the speed on the driven shaft. slip का मीन्स है बेटा कि ड्राइवर और ड्रिवन पुलिस रोटेट तो कर रही हैं बट डज नॉट कैरी बेल्ट विद इटसेल्फ. दैट फिनोमिना इज कॉल्ड द स्लिप. मीन्स आपने देखा कि अगर ड्राइविंग पुली है जिस आरपीएम से रोटेट कर रही है, अगर वो अपने साथ प्रॉपरली वहाँ पर ग्रिप है, कोई स्लिपिंग नहीं हो रहा है, तो उतनी ही स्पीड से वो बेल्ट को भी अपने पास यहाँ पर मूव कराएगी और बेल्ट फर्दर जाकर क्या करेगा, मीन्स उस जो ड्रिवन पुली है उसको भी रोटेट कराएगा. राइट. तो लेट माना W1 एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ड्राइविंग पुली एंड W2 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ड्रिवन पुली एंड S1 इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ slip between the driving pulley and the belt, and S2 is the percentage of slip between the driven pulley and the belt, and S is the total percentage of slip. So by using this relationship this derivation, we can find out the percentage of slip. Okay. So let me finish out our lecture.